Welcome back. And if you can't hear that, I've got a new exhaust, and I just basically wanted to just see how the audio works out. Does it sound better? Does it sound shit? How does it sound? That's basically what I'm doing right now. I just want to see how it sounds. I've never had an aftermarket exhaust. I've only ever had stock on all my bikes, so this is just a huge change for me. That extra loudness, I mean, I can feel the power out of it, but I just noticed a lot more people turning around, looking at me, noticing it. That's the big one. The amount of people that are noticing it is phenomenal. I've heard a lot of people say, like, you know, you'll get pulled and all this, but it wasn't that much louder than my original exhaust, believe it or not. It's just when the higher RPMs go, you'll hear it more. I mean, I'm in two minds, you know. Now, I did put some engine wrap on there, because apparently that is really good for it. Helps quiet it down a bit. I think it is quieter than what it was the other day. It was okay loud the other day, but they said it probably will smoke the engine wrap as well. So I got it off eBay, some German company. Make an exhaust for Daytonas. Significantly louder with the visor open. When I was on the motorway, you know, doing like 80 or whatever, just sounded like a Formula 1 car. It just sounded like a proper race bike. Like a lot of high pitched screaming, you know, it sounded awesome. think that's enough. That's a nice little test, little round trip. Give this an edit, give it an upload. If you think it's too loud, let me know. If you think it sounds good, let me know. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video, boys and girls.